You need to watch this if you struggle with managing your stock losses. Welcome to the CraigTrader Channel and CraigTrader.com, where our goal is to help you get richer faster. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your fellow traders. Let's grow richer together. I bet you didn't know how stops and trailing stops can transform your trading experience. It would have saved me a bundle. When I first started trading, I was so focused on the potential gains that I completely overlooked the importance of protecting my investments. I remember the sleepless nights, constantly worrying about the market's next move. It was a roller coaster of emotions, and not the fun kind. I wish someone had told me about stops and trailing stops back then. Stops and trailing stops are your best friends in the stock market. They are like the unsung heroes of trading, quietly working in the background to safeguard your hard-earned money. Imagine having a tool that can help you minimize losses and lock in profits without you having to constantly monitor the market. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly what stops and trailing stops do. Think of a stop as your safety net. Just like a safety net catches a trapeze artist, if they fall, a stop order catches your stock if it starts to plummet. You set a specific price, and if your stock falls to that point, it automatically sells to prevent deeper losses. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can save you from significant financial pain. You set a price, and if your stock falls to that point, it automatically sells to prevent deeper losses. Simple, right? But there's more to it. The beauty of stop orders is that they take the emotion out of trading. When the market is volatile, it's easy to make impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. A stop order ensures that your exit strategy is executed without hesitation, based on predetermined criteria. Now, let's dive into how to enter a stop order. First, log into your trading platform and select the stock you want to set a stop order for. Next, choose the type of stop order you want to place. There are generally two types, a stop loss order and a stop limit order. A stop loss order will sell your stock at the best available price once it hits the stop price, while a stop limit order will only sell at the stop price or better. For example, if you bought a stock at $100 and want to limit your losses to 10%, you would set a stop loss order at $90. This means if the stock price drops to $90, your order will be executed, and the stock will be sold to prevent further losses. After selecting the type of stop order, enter the stop price. Make sure to review all the details before confirming the order. Once confirmed, your stop order is in place, and you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. Now, trailing stops take it up a notch. They are like the advanced version of stop orders, offering even more flexibility and protection. Instead of setting a fixed price, trailing stops follow your stock's rise. This means that as your stock's price increases, the trailing stop adjusts accordingly, allowing you to lock in gains while still protecting against potential losses. Instead of a fixed price, they follow your stock's rise. Picture this. You buy a stock at $100 and set a 10% trailing stop. If your stock climbs to $120, the trailing stop adjusts to $108. This way, if the stock drops, you lock in gains instead of losses. It's like having a dynamic safety net that moves with your stock, ensuring that you capture profits while minimizing risks. Picture this. You buy a stock at $100 and set a 10% trailing stop. If your stock climbs to $120, the trailing stop adjusts to $108. This way, if the stock drops, you lock in gains instead of losses. It's a brilliant strategy that allows you to ride the upward momentum of a stock while having a safety mechanism in place to protect your profits. If your stock climbs to $120, the trailing stop adjusts to $108. This way, if the stock drops, you lock in gains instead of losses. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a plan in place to secure your profits. No more second guessing or constantly checking the market. Trailing stops do the heavy lifting for you. This way, if the stock drops, you lock in gains instead of losses. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy the benefits of a rising stock while having a safety net that protects your gains. It's like having your cake and eating it too. And the best part? You don't have to be glued to your screen all day. Trailing stops work automatically, giving you the freedom to focus on other things. Practical example. Bought at $50, trailing stop at 10%. Let's dive into a practical example to see how this works in real life. Suppose you bought a stock at $50 and set a 10% trailing stop. As the stock price increases, the trailing stop moves up with it. If the stock hits $70, the trailing stop moves to $63. This means that if the stock price falls to $63, your order will be executed, and you'll sell the stock, securing a profit. Stock hits $70, trailing stop moves to $63. This way, you can capture the upward movement of the stock while having a safety mechanism in place to protect your gains. It's a smart way to trade, allowing you to maximize your profits while minimizing your risks. And the best part? You don't have to constantly monitor the market. The trailing stop does the work for you. If it falls, you sell at $63, securing profit. This strategy is particularly useful in a volatile market where prices can fluctuate rapidly. By using trailing stops, you can ensure that you capture gains while protecting yourself from sudden downturns. It's a proactive approach to trading that can make a significant difference in your overall performance. In short, stops and trailing stops help you protect your investments and sleep better at night. They are essential tools for any trader, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. By incorporating stops and trailing stops into your trading strategy, you can minimize losses, lock in profits, and reduce the emotional stress that comes with trading. So take the time to understand how they work and start using them in your trades. Your future self will thank you. Happy trading! Remember, the stock market can be unpredictable, and having a solid risk management strategy is crucial. Stops and trailing stops are just one part of a comprehensive trading plan. It's also important to diversify your portfolio, stay informed about market trends, and continuously educate yourself about different trading strategies. The more knowledge and tools you have at your disposal, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of the market. Another key aspect of successful trading is learning from your experiences. Keep a trading journal to document your trades, including the rationale behind each decision and the outcomes. This will help you identify patterns, strengths, and areas for improvement. Over time, you'll develop a deeper understanding of your trading style and be able to refine your strategies for better results. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from more experienced traders or financial advisors. They can provide valuable insights and help you avoid common pitfalls. Joining trading communities or forums can also be beneficial, as you can share experiences, ask questions, and learn from others. Remember, trading is a journey, and continuous learning and improvement are key to long-term success. In conclusion, stops and trailing stops are powerful tools that can help you protect your investments and achieve your financial goals. By incorporating them into your trading strategy, you can minimize losses, lock in profits, and reduce the emotional stress that comes with trading. So, take the time to understand how they work, practice using them in your trades, and continuously educate yourself about different trading strategies. With the right approach and mindset, you can navigate the stock market with confidence and achieve success. Happy trading! And remember, the journey of trading is filled with ups and downs. Embrace the learning process, stay disciplined, and always prioritize risk management. With stops and trailing stops as part of your toolkit, you're better equipped to handle the challenges and seize the opportunities that come your way. Here's to your trading success. Thank you for watching, and may your trading journey be prosperous and fulfilling. Until next time, happy trading. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow traders. Let's grow richer together. Also, let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your suggestions are always welcome. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow traders. Let's grow richer together. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow traders. Let's grow richer together. Let's grow richer.